Look at that, new toy, TRX4 High Trail. So we've got all the features, differential locks, transmission, metal geared servo, portal axles, 2.2 inch tyres, 3S, all the information there. Let's get it open, but first, battery. So that's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 11.1 volts, the 40C. I have here this XT60 to Traxxas converter. I was scared that wasn't going to fit for a second. It doesn't work. Silly me, I'm plugged into the wrong one. Maybe it's working. Everybody these days uses tape measures to open up their boxes. Take a look at that portal axles. With the portal axles, see how the axle is higher up than the actual center line of the wheel. It's 21 turn motor, 2.2 inch wheels. We have a 3S ESC, differential servos, and higher low gear servo, metal geared servo. Again. That's a low and high gear transmission. Controlled on there. And then there's locking diffs. This car has obstacle ability. There you guys, pop it in a low gear. Oh yes! Here to our advantage. I tend to leave my diffs unlocked when I'm driving and only lock them when I need them, because otherwise it hurts the car. In my opinion. I could be completely wrong. I wonder where else we could take this. Ledge here. I wonder. No, we don't have traction. Yeah, that was a TRX4. Unboxing and first run. Thank you very much for watching.